Let me write this proper. Calculated thoughts only. Let the fam write into you. The fam write into you. Let the fam write into you. The fam writing to you, then Mathew. I've been watching every chapter that you post, from Sudbury Hill blocks to the nights you felt lost. You talk about the grind like it's carved in your bones. How you left Manchester with nothing but a phone. I see the Scotland summers in the way you stay strong. Grind taught you confidence, that vibe still lives on in your son. The way you speak on him hits deep, like you rebuilt your whole life just to give him what he needs. I study every lyric, every move that you plan. You ain't reckless, you act only when the moment demands. I'm trying to learn that mindset, that cold focus vision, calculated individual with a long-term mission. Focus, long game, long.
Calculated, alright. These letters in the dark, trying to mirror your kind. Trying to channel all the lessons that you hide in your life. You came from struggle, turned it into a blueprint for life.
So I'm writing, alright.
I'm writing from the shadow just to sharpen my mind.
The fan slipping into obsession, Mathew. I saw that track you dropped about rebuilding from the rubble. Man, I felt that I've been trying to climb out of my own trouble. You talk about independence like it's oxygen to breathe, like you cut off every fake bunch just to finally. I swear your discipline's insane. You don't move unless the move's worth the pain. You don't speak unless the words hold weight. You don't act unless the time is locked straight. Sometimes I wish I had your still instincts, your unencoded spine, your ability to think. I'm trying to follow every step, every calculated plan, but I'm losing myself trying to be the same man. Losing it, too deep.
Alright, these letters in the dark, trying to mirror your kind. Trying to channel all the lessons that you hide in your life. You came from struggle, turned it into a blueprint for life.
So I'm writing.
So I'm writing from the shadows just to sharpen my mind.
I got your letters and I hear what you're saying. But don't lose yourself trying to copy how I'm playing. My life's my life, built from pain and mistakes. You gotta build your own path, your own stakes. I'm calculating cause I learned from the fire. From the nights I had nothing but a will to aspire. From the streets that taught me how to move with precision. From the grind that forced me into long-term vision. Take the lessons like the blueprint. Find your own drive, your own reason to commit. You ain't meant to be me, you're meant to be you. When your story hits harder, when it's something you brew. Be you. On par. Stay sharp, stay real.